Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 4 and the name of the chapter is linear equation in two variables. At first let us understand what you mean by the term linear equation and variables. If the power of the variable is 1, then it is said to be linear. If the power of the variable is 2, then it is known as quadratic. If the power of the variable is 3, then it is known as cubic. So, linear means the highest degree, means highest power will be 1. Okay. Now, what do you mean by the term equation? It includes an equal to sign, which indicates that two expressions have the same value. Suppose, for example, x plus y is equals to 2. Here we have two expressions, and this equal to sign indicates that these two expressions have the same value. Now, what do you mean by the term variables? Variable usually a letter, or we can say alphabets, that expresses a numerical value or a number. Variables comes from the word vary. It means that value of the variable may change. It varies. It is not fixed. Okay. So the name of the chapter is linear equation in two variables. That means here we will be learning linear equation. Linear equation means highest degree will be 1 and in two variables. Like in this case we have linear equation. Why? Because highest degree is 1. Okay. And in this case we have seen that here we have two variables. So here we will be learning linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now any equation can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the general form, in which x and y, these are variables. Okay. And a and b is the coefficient and c is the constant. For example, we have 2x plus 7y is equals to 5. Okay. Now, if you want to write in the form of ax plus by plus c, then we will take this constant to the left hand side. Okay. We know that if any number, suppose if any number is carrying plus sign, after changing side it will be minus, minus will be plus, into will be divide, and divide will be into. So 2x plus 7y, if you take 5 to the left hand side, plus 5 will be minus 5 is equals to 0. So this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, in which a, value of a is the coefficient of the variable x, so it's 2. Okay. And by, see, b is the coefficient of the variable y, so b is 7 here. And constant c is minus 5. Okay. Now we'll see the solution of linear equation in one variable. what will be the solution of the linear equation in one variable? Let us take an example. Suppose the equation is x plus 8 is equals to 2. Okay. Now here this is known as linear equation. Why? Because the highest degree of the variable is x, and since here only one variable is there, which is x, so that's why this is known as linear equation in one variable. Now what will be the solution of this? Solution means what will be the value of the variable. So here value of the variable x is, on the right hand side we have 2. If you transpose 8 to the right hand side, plus 8 will be minus 8. Now 1 positive, 1 negative, so plus minus minus, so 8 minus 2 is 6, and since the minus sign is with the greater one, is with 8, so the solution will be minus 6. Value of the variable x will be minus 6. So what we have seen here, we have got only one solution for this linear equation in one variable. So we'll write one unique solution. Okay. So what we have noticed, that if there is linear equation in one variable, then only we will be having one solution. Okay. Here the value of the variable will be minus 6 only. We cannot get any other value. Okay. So in case of one variable, only one solution is possible. Now we'll see the solution in two variables. For example, x plus y is equals to 8. Here we have two variables, x and y. Okay. Now let us see how many solution we get for two variables. Okay. Now if we consider the value of x is 2 and value of y is 6, then 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay. Now if I consider the value of x is 5 and value of y is 3, then 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. If I consider the value of x is 0 and y is 8, then 0 plus 8 is 8. Similarly, if I consider the value of x is 1 and value of y is 7, then we will be having 8. If we consider the value of x is 4 and y is 4, then also we will be having 8. Similarly, value of x is, if the value of x is 3 and value of y is 5, then also we will be having 8. Value of x is 6. If the value of x is 6 and value of y is 2, then also we have 8. If the value of x is minus 2, if the value of x is minus 2 and value of y is 10, so value of x is minus 2 and value of y is 10, plus minus minus, so 10 minus 2 is 8, and since sign of 10 is positive, so it will be positive. So what we have noticed, that in case of two variables we have many solutions, right? So we'll write infinitely many solutions. Okay. So in case of one variable we have only one unique solution, and in case of two variables we have infinitely many solutions. Now suppose we have only one value, which is, suppose x is 2. Okay, suppose x is 2, so what will be the value of y? So x plus y is 8. So if the value of x is 2, then 2 plus y is 8. So what will be the value of y? It's 8 minus 2, 6. So if x is 2, if the value of x is 2, then value of y will be 6. So here x is 2 and y is 6. Now suppose we have the equation 5x plus 2y is equals to 14, and value of x is given, say 2, and value of y is given 2. So if here we will have to put the value of x and y. Here value of x is 2 and value of y is 2. So if you put in place of x, then 5 into 2 plus 2 into 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So it's 14. So the solution of this equation is value of x is 2 and value of y is 2. Okay. Suppose we have the value of x is say 0 and y is say 7. So if the value of x is 0, then 5 into 0, here value of x is 0, so 5 into 0, and 2 into 7, 7 is the value of y. So 5 into 0 is 0, 7 into 2 is 14, so 14 plus 0 is 14. Okay, so here the solution is, here value of x is 0 and value of y is 7. So it will be 0, 7. It cannot be 7, 0 because we write the value of x at first and then value of y. So it's 0, 7. Okay. Now suppose only value of x is given. Say let x equals to 2. Okay. Now what will be the value of y? Our equation is 5x plus 2y is equals to 14. Okay. Value of x is 2. So in place of x we have put 2 plus 2y is equals to 14. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2y is equals to 14. Now at first we will transpose 10 to the right hand side. So 14 minus 10 is 2y is equals to 4. Okay, here we have put the value of x at first and rest everything will remain same. Then we just multiplied this and rest everything will remain same. Then since we are finding the value of y, so 2y will remain same on the left hand side. Only we will transpose 10 to the right hand side. So plus 10 will be minus 10. So 14 minus 10 is 4. Now 2 multiplied by y is equals to 4. So what will be the value of y? After going to another side, it will be division. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so if the value of x is 2, then value of y here will be also 2. Okay, this way we will have to find the value. We write the value of x at first and then we write the value of y. Okay, so this way we will have to find the solution of the equation in two variables. Okay, so thank you students.